Hello everyone, in today's video we bring you Kepow K3 off-road electric scooter designed for riding both on the city streets and on more demanding terrain of the asphalt. It is powered by the powerful 1000-volt brushless motor with the 48-volt 15Ah battery that ensures solid range and a stable power delivery. And for comfort and control on uneven surface, the dual suspension and 10-inch off-road tires are responsible. Altogether makes the K3 a versatile electric scooter that successfully balances urban practicality and off-road capabilities. And for more details, watch this Kepow K3 video review. The moment you open the box, it leaves a very positive impression. Everything is packed neatly and professionally with protective foam that keeps each part of the scooter in place during transport. When you remove the protective materials, an almost fully assembled scooter appears in front of you. It's only necessary to raise the handlebar, fasten a few screws and connect the basic elements, after which is the scooter practically ready to ride. So along with the K3 scooter itself, there is also a rear mudguard in the package which we have to install. We even got this original Kepow hard travel case, the basic tool needed for assembly, charger with adequate EU adapter, and of course the user manual. As I already said, assembly is minimal and simple. All you need to do is straighten and secure the handlebars, and here we are already out on the road to take a first look on the Kepow K3 scooter. The first contact with the scooter immediately reveals that this is a model designed for more serious use. Visually, the scooter looks modern and aggressive, but without exaggeration. Its appearance combines sport and off-road elements, creating the impression of a vehicle that feels just as good on asphalt as it does on dirt track. Its design in black and orange color is that attracts attention but doesn't seem obtrusive. There is no twisting on the frame or unpleasant vibrations. The aluminum construction feels very robust and inspires confidence from the first touch. There is enough space on platform to change the position of the feet during the ride, which significantly increases comfort on longer routes. Even after a longer time spent on the scooter, there is no feeling of constrictions that can be a problem with narrow platforms. The maximum load capacity of 120 kilograms further confirms that the construction is designed for a wide range of users. Every joint seems precisely made and all elements leave the impression of durability and longevity. One of the things that immediately attracts attention is certainly the rich LED lighting system. The Kepow K3 is not only equipped with a basic front and rear light. Here you get the complete lighting package that includes a powerful front LED light for illuminating the road, a rear position light with the braking effect and even the turn signals. Of course, side decorative lighting and additional ambient lights are that gives the scooter a very modern, fresh look. The side lights create a trendy effect in various colors, while at the same time increasing visibility from the sides, which can be very important in city traffic. The turn signals further increase the level of safety because they clearly show other users your intentions when riding. Such a level of lighting is rarely seen in this class of scooters and certainly deserves praise. At the heart of the Kepow K3 model is a 1000-volt brushless motor, which may not sound as spectacular on the paper as some extreme models, but in a real driving it provides to be more than sufficient for everyday use. From the very first start you can feel the motor providing smooth and linear power delivery. There are no aggressive jerks or sudden power surge that can surprise less experienced drivers. Everything feels controlled and predictable, which further increases the feeling of safety. The Kepow K3 offers 3 driving modes: Eco, Race and Sport. The Sport mode allows a maximum of 25 km per hour in accordance with the European regulations. During testing all rides, we use the Sport modes the most because they provide the best combination of fun and practicality. As we already said, the scooter reaches a speed of up to 25 km per hour, which is set according to the European standards, and it is legal to drive like that. Of course, the unlocked version can develop twice the speed, and then it's completely different story, much more exciting for sure. The scooter quickly reaches top speed without any nervousness or jerks. Everything feels measured and stable, which is extremely important when moving on city roads. Most importantly, the ride never feels intimidating. The scooter is stable, predictable and quiet, even on higher speeds, making it ideal for everyday use. A lithium battery with a capacity of 48 watt and 15 amp hour is responsible for the power supply. That means a total of 720 watt hours of energy, which represents a very solid support for everyday driving. The manufacturer states a range of up to 50 km on a single charge. As always, actual results depend on the several factors: the rider's weight, terrain configuration, number of stops and accelerations, and the chosen riding style. The charge takes between 5 and 6 hours, which means that you can simply plug the scooter in the evening, and in the morning it is ready for a new adventure. The scooter used the 10-inch all-terrain tires that offer excellent contact with the surface, whether you are riding on smooth asphalt or city roads or gravel. The width of the tires provides additional stability, especially at higher speeds and sudden changes of direction. The scooter maintains a good balance between comfort and efficiency. Small bumps, cracks in the asphalt and holes no longer appear aggressive but simply get lost under the wheels. Combined with the quality suspension, the ride becomes surprisingly smooth and relaxed. One of the biggest advantages of this scooter is certainly its dual suspension with springs. Installed both front and the rear, on asphalt the ride feels soft and safe, while on gravel parts or uneven surface the K3 behaves calmly and predictably. This is not an extreme off-road scooter, but for light terrain and everyday obstacles it offers more than enough comfort. For a scooter that can develop serious speed, safety must be a priority. Fortunately, the Kepow K3 leaves a very good impression here. The electronic braking works together with the disc brakes to provide powerful but at the same time very controlled stopping. When braking hard, the scooter remains stable and predictable. There is no feeling that the rear end will start to slip, not any unpleasant surprises that can cause loss of control. Brakes inspire confidence from the first ride, and they are one of those components that you may not notice while everything is working properly, but you really appreciate them when you need them. There is a modern color LCD screen on the steering wheel that provides a very good visibility while driving. All key information is in one place: speed, battery status, selected driving modes, and other data are easily to read even on a sunny day. But what further sets Kepow K3 apart from many competitions is the TUYA application, the option that connecting to a smartphone opens up a whole range of additional possibilities for those who need it. We honestly has no need to use the application because everything is easy to see and use at the first anyway. On the left side of the steering wheel there is a button for the horn, turn signals, lights on and off. Everything looks very simple and within easy reach. On the right side we have a thumb throttle and brake lever. Although it has the ability to fold, it quickly becomes clear that this is not the primary focus or the main purpose. The folding mechanism is solid and functional and allows the scooter to be prepared for transport and stored in the car relatively easily, but its size and weight immediately put things into real context. Instead, folding makes sense as practical solution for occasional transport, where the scooter can stand as a serious piece of equipment ready for the next ride. After a few days spent on the Kepow K3 scooter, we can say that it is showed its greatest qualities during real riding. This is not a model that tries to attract attention exclusively with high power or extreme performance. Instead, it focuses on what the rider really notices and appreciates during everyday use: stability, comfort, and a feeling of complete control. Whether you are riding through the city streets or bike paths or exploring gravel roads outside the city, the Kepow K3 behaves calmly, predictably, and safely. The more time you spend on it, the more you begin to appreciate how well each of its components is coordinated. And this balance is perhaps the greatest compliment an electric scooter can receive. After everything we saw during testing, we can say that the Kepow K3 represents a very well-rounded package. A powerful 1000-volt motor, a large battery, a range of up to 50 km, high-quality double suspension, large off-road wheels, rich LED lighting, and a modern TUYA application create a combination that will satisfy the most demanding users. This is not a scooter that relies only on attractive design or a single impressive specs. This is a model that tries to be good in all the important areas, and it succeeded quite well. And the best of all this at the extremely low price. If you are looking for an electric scooter that will take you to work every day, serve as a weekend getaway, and can handle rough terrain and dirty tracks without any problem, the K3 definitely deserves a place on your list of considerations. The official sales link are below this video, and be sure to visit it and secure your Kepow K3 scooter today while the promotion and the discount last. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, because we are back with a more interesting test of electric scooters, electric bikes, and tech gadgets soon. Until then, bye.